if you've got pastry left over and you squeeze it like this, squeeze it like this.
Shortbread.
That's a shortbread. And then you can and then you can roll it out and put it in the oven, and you've got shortbread. Right.
Around 180 degrees.
Yeah. Your hands have got to be warm. That's the thing about shortbread. So the same crumble mixer that we used this morning to make the apple crumble is the same mixer we'll use if you've got any left over to make the shortbread. And you can roll it out later on and then put it in the oven.
Can I just make a separate crumble then? So I can come in later, or should I just do the same set of this?
You can use that one. She doesn't want it.
That's fine.
You want it? There you go.
No, then it's something to do.
Right, okay. So that's that one. That puff pastry is a laminated pastry. So we're no longer using rubbing in method. Right? We've done custard today, didn't we? So I showed you mixing it in cold water, boiling it and mixing it until it becomes thick, yes? So we've done that one. We've done the crumble one. Yeah? Right, the last one is what we say is laminated. Now, laminated meaning, okay, if I do like this, and like this, and like this, that is what happens, right? And in between each one here, right, there's some butter. And the butter, it starts to heat up, and the pastry up. That's how the pastry rises. That's why you get layers on puff pastry. I'm going to show you, so it's called laminated. Laminated. Right? Right, that's what now. Right? The lamination is in the making, it's not in what we're going to do. So we call it the folding method. Now, what is the folding method? Okay, so if I use this piece of paper, I'm going to kind of demonstrate what the folding method would be, yeah? So pretend this is a piece of pastry, yeah? A piece of pastry that needs to be laminated. So you roll it out into a square, and then you fold it like that, yeah? And then you might fold it like that, yeah? And then you might fold it like that, and like that, and like that. And every single fold is a lamination. And then you roll it out till you get to that. And you might do that 3 or 4 times, they call it turns. Right? Eventually you'll see the lines on the pastry, all the little lines. That's what it is, it's turns, right? It's lamination. So from the laminated pastry you get things like sausage rolls, cream puffs, turnovers, yeah? I want to do a old-fashioned cake using this laminated pastry. We're all going to have a go. The great thing is once we've done it and gone into the oven, we clear up. Once it's cooked, we go. Yeah, so if while it's cooking, then you can do your shortbread. Oh. And then you're washing and you're tidying up. We should be out of here, not complaining, by 2 o'clock. Yeah? That is this ain't going to take long. What I'm going to do is divide it up. I'm going to make one mix. I'm going to show you how to make it, and then you have a go. Right? Okay, cool. So just give. So in the meantime, go and do your. So old-fashioned cake, Eccles cake. It's mixed spice, butter, brown sugar. Once again, just like the apples, depending on how much currants you've got in there, you add the butter and the sugar accordingly. Yeah? Now I'm doing one. All I'm doing is squeezing the butter together, like that, and squeezing the currants together. I'll show you why in a minute. Well, I can do it on the table actually. It'd be easier. All right. So I'm just going to squeeze it all together, and then I'll show you the final product.
Fine.
Yeah.
Anything nice, yeah?
Okay. Delicious. Anyway, so there we go. So I just mix it all in like that. And I'll put that back into the bowl. Yeah, that's lovely. Back into the bowl. And then what I will do, I'm gonna dust the. This is really, really easy to make. Right, it's so easy to make. It's almost as easy to make like the shortbread. Delicious. So, flour the bench there. Yeah. And all I'm going to do is the rolling pin that was given to me.
It's behind you.
It's behind me, exactly.
Oh,
And
mate.
I knew that. Right. So, roll it out to maybe like a square shape. Yeah? Oh, egg wash. Can I get egg wash? Egg wash and 2 eggs. Egg wash and a pastry brush for the professional. Let him do his work. Alright, and a pastry brush for your fantastic lecturer. What can I
I
say?
do one hand.
Oh my god, no.
You need some water in there?
A little bit of water in there. Water from a dripper.
As if this like
See, next week you'll be missing this lesson. But don't worry. The week after is Easter.
Yeah.
No. Is it?
No, it's exams week.
Oh, yeah. Well, there you go then. So here we go. Here's some I prepared earlier.
Oh, I've not mixed
Right.
it very well.
That's right. So, what to learn? Brush a little bit on there. Yeah? It's so easy. Then you just get your mix in there. Like that. Yeah? And then I'm going to do this. So from corner to corner, so like that. And then that corner to there, to there, to there, to there. So you get it kind of like a hexagon shape. And then I'll turn it over and I'll hold it out, roll it out. Like that. Bit of sugar. Boom. Just like that. Eccles cake. So easy. Oh, yes, I'll take a bow. I'll do one more. Right. Right, now, there was 2 packets of pastry, but I put one in the freezer, so we might do something else with it next week. Because there's so many different products that you can do
You mean next week?
with the pastry.
Oh yeah, the week
Yeah,
after.
the week after, or even the week after that. When we come back from Easter or whenever. But it's there for us to use as and when. Right? So you see again, once again. Put enough in there. And then I'm going to go like that. And then like that. And like that. And like that. And then with the other corner, I do the same thing, and then I get a hexagon type shape. Then I roll it. Like that. Like that. And like that. Delicious. Wish you were here. Alright, okay, so get on with it. Hold on.
The wrong one later. It's just gonna be him dilly
Oh, now it's recording.
No, it's
Oh my gosh, delicious. Look at that. Delicious. Wish you were here.